In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new Bitcoin wallet address. Now this can be done on both phone and computer, and I'm going to explain how to do it on the computer. So I'm going to open up a web browser and you can do the same. And you want to go to a search engine and type in Trust Wallet. Now that's going to be the wallet we're going to use to create our Bitcoin address. If you click on it and go to trustwallet.com and scroll down, you can see you can download the mobile app and the desktop extension. And if you scroll down even more, you'll be able to search for what currency you want to hold. So in my case, Bitcoin. And you can see here that it is available on the Trust Wallet. So go ahead and download the extension. I'm going to download it for Chrome. And what we can do is we can add it to Chrome and click Add Extension. Now that will add the Trust Wallet to Google Chrome. And from here we can access it. So once it's added, it will add this icon here. And you can also access it by clicking on your extensions, which is this puzzle icon. And you should see it here, Trust Wallet. Now, alternatively, it will open in a new window and you can create a new wallet, add a password, then confirm the password. And then once you've done that, you need to go ahead and choose if you want to share data or not. I'm just going to click on share data and we're going to keep Trust Wallet as the default wallet. We can then click open wallet. And there you go. We now are ready to use the Trust Wallet. And if you wanted to get your Bitcoin address, you'd click on Bitcoin. Here you can then click receive. And you can proceed anyway and get your Bitcoin recipient address, which is this one. Now, before you do this, I would back up your secret phrase because you need to back this up just in case that you lose access to your computer or your Chrome browser crashes. With your backed up seed phrase, you can then access your wallet on another computer. So to do that, you need to go to settings, then go to manage wallets and back up your seed phrase. Now it's going to be 12 words, just write them down on a piece of paper and make sure you keep those safe because that is going to keep your money safe in case of a crash or you losing your computer.